Hey guys, here is a bonus tip on organizing your decor projects by paint color. And it's really important that you do that. There are those times when you need to do some touch-up, or maybe you love a color and you want to use it in another space, but the label has gotten worn out and you can't read it and you're not sure what it is, and over time the color on the wall might have faded a little bit. So it's important whenever you are doing a paint project, what I want you to do is make sure that you take the cans and you label the top of the can so you can see exactly what room it is that you use the paint. This one was Kevin's walls. I wrote it down there. The date is on here as to when it was mixed. It's a Sherwin color, and then all the color coding is on there. So what I do is take a photo of that label with your cell phone and then dump all of those photos into a folder on your desktop, so you'll have all the labels in one place if you ever need to go back to a color. So mark the cans, also take a photo, and I actually have a little cheat sheet that I will share with you, a PDF where you can write down the paint colors, and then maybe you hang them on the wall in your workroom or your basement so that you always have them handy.